What's up, guys? Welcome back. Tony here. We are out on an afternoon ride today. I don't have very long, just about an hour. I have after school stuff to do, but the weather was so nice I thought I would jump out and give this Motovlog setup a test run. It's my original Motovlog setup, but it is installed now on the new Shoei helmet that I purchased. For you all that saw the video before, I bought a Shoei RFSR and I just put all the equipment in it this week. So this is kind of the inaugural run to see how it sounds and how the video turns out. Hopefully the sound works well. This is probably the quietest helmet I've ever had, so I'm having high expectations for audio, but we will see. We will see. On a side note on this helmet, I haven't had it that long, but I will tell you guys, it is probably the best helmet I've ever owned to date. Very quiet, very comfortable, and just moves a ton of air. Unless something really happens here, this thing's going to get a glowing review from me in the future. I will do an in-depth review when I've got a little bit more miles on it, but as of right now, I can tell you it is going to get a glowing one. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested in it, so be sure to check out that. Also, they have a transition lens for this helmet, and I'm curious about it, but it is like $160, $170. So if any of you guys have any experience with this transition shield, let me know. Does it work? I imagine it works, but how fast does it work? How fast does it transition from light to dark? Is it something that takes minutes, seconds? I don't know. Like I said, I don't have any experience with it, but it does spark my interest. So you guys that have experience, please chime in the comments below and let me know. I'm also going to ask your all's opinion on one more thing while we're out here riding today, and that is windshields. I have been tossing around the idea of purchasing a windshield for this bike. Harley makes an 18 and a 21 that is removable. I have never ran a windshield, so I don't know. I know that as far as looks go, you know, they are removable, so you don't have to run them all the time, but are they worth it for the long rides, the day long, or you know, the weekend tour? I'm curious, because I do find myself on the expressway quite a bit more on this bike than I was on the Sportster, just because it handles the expressway just so much better. And I feel like a windshield would really benefit on the expressway, because you know, at 80 miles an hour you do get blown around quite a bit. And does it make that big of a difference? For you guys that run them, chime in the comments below again. Tell me your thoughts and your experiences with the windshields, because I really don't want to go out and drop like $400 if it's something that's just going to set in the garage. Kind of like the fairing, the Memphis Shades fairing I purchased for my Sportster. I put it on, I ran it for, I don't know, a few weeks, and it really wasn't something that, you know, it helped with the wind a little bit, and I just wasn't sold on the aesthetics of it. I ended up sending it to Gonk. For you guys that don't know Gonk, Ride with Gonk YouTube channel, great channel. He hasn't posted up here lately. He's been kind of busy, I suppose, but the stuff that he does have, good channel. For you guys that don't know, check out Ride with Gonk. And I guess the last thing we're going to talk about, 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I am literally humbled by that. When I first bought a GoPro and I made my first video, I was like, this will last 3 weeks and the kids will get the GoPro and use it at the pool. And here we are 9-10 months later with 1,000 subscribers and creeping up on 100 videos. I had no idea, and I appreciate all you guys that watch and tune in and subscribe to my channel. really, I still can't believe that I have 1,000 people out there interested in what I have to say. It just completely boggles my mind. But I appreciate all you guys, and I just want to say thank you for hanging in there and watching my content. So big milestone there. Other than that, where are we? We are about almost 500 miles on this bike so far. Since I purchased it, I've been pretty busy, so I really haven't had a lot of time to get out and ride. So right at 500 miles, my break-in is officially done, so I can get out there and actually start cranking on this thing a little bit and really see what it can do. But so far, it has done nothing but impress, so I'm pretty excited. I have been in deep research about the FP3 and voiding the warranty. Some people say it doesn't, some people say it does. Some people say you can flash it back and take it to the dealer and they're none the wiser. But I'm not sure. If any of you guys have experience again with this, let me know. Chime in the comments. I know I'm asking for a lot of help on this motovlog, but I have a few questions, and if any of you all have experience with any of these things, please chime in and let me know, because I am dying to do the stage 1 upgrade, but I do not want to use the Harley tuner. It is not for me. I would much rather use an FP3, but from what I was told at my dealership, it voids the warranty. But what I read online, again, you know, online, some say it does, some say it doesn't. So if any of you all have experience with that, please let me know. Boy, this bike's got some giddy up. So yeah, like I was saying, if any of you all have had experience with an FP3 and something has gone wrong with your motorcycle and you've taken it in for warranty work, did they fix it? Did they honor the warranty, or did they say, you know, sorry about your luck? But for you guys that know, chime in there and say something and give me some input, because like I said, I am dying to do the stage 1 upgrade on this, but the Harley tuner is just not something I want to use. Anyway guys, that's all I got. Again, I appreciate you guys tuning in and let me waste your time. As always, if you liked the video, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button and also ding that little bell for me. I would appreciate it. And like always guys, ride safe and be careful out there. And until next time, later.